Please join me to welcome Mr. Rinkesh Arora, ladies and gentlemen, BU Head Software and Security, RP Tech.
Thank you, Sanjay, Sanjeev, and the entire SME team for this wonderful opportunity. It has been a great learning day, and I've been glad to meet a lot of old friends throughout the breakout, throughout the sessions, and before the session. Rashi as a distributor or as a name is not very new in IT. However, there are a lot of partners I see who may not be aware what Rashi does, because fundamentally Rashi has been known as a hardware or a component or a peripherals distributor. But what I'm going to do is over the next few minutes give you a brief introduction about what Rashi is and what are the new business models or business units that we have started, and probably look forward to an opportunity to connect each one of you with each one of you post the event. So yeah, founded in 1989, Mr. Suresh Pansari and KK Chaudhary. We are a listed Indian distribution company. We got listed on NSE and BSE in February this year. By the way, IPO was oversubscribed by 62 times. Largest distribution network of 52 branches and still counting, and 50 service centers and 67 warehouses across the country. Distributing about 62 global brands, qualifying within various verticals. I'll touch upon that later on in later slides. One of the leading national distributors for global technology brands in consumer, commercial, enterprise, embedded and semiconductor industry. 360-degree approach. So this is the branch network. If you look at 52 branches, which covers the length and breadth of country, which gives us a very unique value prop for our OEMs, our vendors, because fundamentally, as I said earlier, we've been into components, peripherals and hardware, and having such large network really helps us take the OEMs to the last part of the country. Consistently growing at about 23% CAGR. We are close to about 1.2 billion US dollar revenue. We are a listed company, as I said, so the data is available in public domain. Billing to close to about 10,500 partners. When I say billing, which means these are the active number of partners that we bill for all the brands that we have. Sorry. Direct reach in 725 cities. Dedicated sales team of close to about 600 people, which includes all the verticals and the products or the business units. Customized market programs depending on the OEM requirements or the partner engagement models or the partner requirements. Of course, pre-sales and post-sales support that team that we have. So this is in extension to the earlier slide, 360-degree approach, pre-sales, marketing, sales, post-sales, credit solution, technical support, and warranty management services. We do warranty management services for a lot of the OEMs that we have, including the service centers also. Dedicated marketing programs. One of the very flagship program that we have run with our partners is Platinum Partner Program, where close to about 850 partners from country have enrolled, which predominantly is, there are various criteria depending on the number of transaction, the value and the frequency that we do or the way they transact with us. We do have programs not just for partners but their families also, right, which makes us unique and which gives a lot of value prop for our partners. 100+ training and roadshows. Dedicated digital marketing and events team. Today we heard a lot about the digital marketing and all. So we do have a dedicated digital marketing team who does a lot of, use a lot of digital media to reach out to the masses. This slide talks about the different BUs that we have and the brands that we have. I'll leave this slide here for a couple of seconds. So this is a gamut of about 62 odd brands that we distribute. Very few friends in this room would know that we are also distributors for NVIDIA. In fact, just recently, about 2 months back, we got felicitated by NVIDIA as one of the fastest growing distributors. Yep. You can connect with us post the event if you need any specific information on any of the brands, products, and maybe I can connect you with the right resource within the organization. This is the software and security BU which I head from the various BUs that we have. This is the one. So if you look at currently, so this BU we started this BU about 6 months back within Rashi with a clear objective and demand saying we need to be present in the software and security space and the kind of value add that we could do. So we have as I said earlier, we have a pre-sales team also where we do a lot of hand holding for the partners, for their customers in terms of the pre-sales support. It could be demos, it could be POCs, and so on and so forth. Right. So Ninja One, which is basically endpoint or remote monitoring and management, and then mobile device management also, which supports all the 3 platforms. Open text cyber security, which fundamentally has 2 brands, which is one is Carbonite, which is for backup, migrate, cloud to cloud backup, server backup, and endpoint backup plus migration. Under data security, we have Webroot, which is for endpoint protection, which also has EDR, MDR. Exidian is fundamentally a ITDR and a PAM solutions brand, which is a global brand based out of Dubai. Identity threat detection and response, and privilege access management. And then of course there are other access permission solution and digital certificates and PKI audit solution also available from Exidian. Of course AnyDesk, which is fundamentally for the remote connections that most of the IT guys or rather most of us would know. And then Sisense, which is into embedded analytics. So Sisense is one of the major players globally when it comes to embedded analytics. So when we talk about embedded analytics, it is not just the dashboards that we know or we might be using. It is beyond the traditional dashboards. It is basically embedding into your platform, and integration could be done with either your CRM or ERP with multiple products that are available. So I think I'm done, and Sanjay, as I told you, I would be giving you at least 5-7 minutes back. This is the strength that we have. We cater to all the channels: general trade channel, modern trades, and of course the e-commerce channel. So based on the products that we have, we cater or we supply the goods to every channel that is available. A big thank you to all of you for giving me this time.